I was refraining from buying many tools for my wood lathe since I'm still just getting started. So I had this one tool that I got at a yard sale, and I thought I'd just make my own tools. However, my friend Bill bought me some from Harbor Freight, so I guess I'll have to use them. I just didn't want to overinvest and get yet more tools because I'm trying to sort through all my tools and I don't need more tools. But in this case, they definitely can help. Windsor Design, obviously a very throwaway brand. Next week it'll be something like Buffalo Power Tools or Grand Rapids something or something. You know, like just one of those Chinese brands. It's just made up names. I bet there's a website that just generates those fake brand names. Oh, look at that. So this looks like that's a parting piece. It's got a wedge on it. Now this one that I have from a yard sale, that one is a little bit bigger than that one. So that's interesting. So I didn't end up getting a redundant tool. I do have like a little bit bigger of this one, so that's nice. It looks like these are all the same manufacturer, just that other one's, well, at least the same kind of style. I have a few of these slanted ones. This one's curved. Very badly. Look at that. It like curves off to one side. But it's probably about the quality that I would make with any of my tools. That's a pointy one. And that one's really bent too. I wonder if I can... Eesh. I bent it in the middle. Well, I'll have to put that in the vise and bend it back, but that's bent pretty far. And then we have 3 different sizes of, I believe these are gouges, like what I made with this tube. At least I called it a tube gouge. We have small, medium, large, which I might, in the future, if I get a stronger wood lathe, which there's actually a stronger wood lathe at the scrapyard, which I might get to do more, you know, like tempting experiment stuff. If I really start moving up to taking really big cuts, I might get that lathe, because it'd be a shame to mess up or weld to this nice 1950s one. There's some cracks in the forging, but that's okay. I doubt that'll have any effect on me using it. Now the real question is, how do I store these things? Is that what that was for? Did those go through there? Maybe. I guess that would be, yeah. Well, I guess not. I don't know. Yeah, hydraulic pump. That might be useful. Funny what stuff you find. I have all these old World War II radio stuff. I don't know what I'll do with them. I have tons of these radio things. Just a little off-cutting on an old 2x4. Gonna go across here. That can't be good on the spindle bearings or whatever the term is. So one reason why it might not be a bad idea for me to go ahead and get that one lathe at the scrapyard, because I plan to spend a lot of this time making handles for tools, all the same length, because I want to make a lot of wooden mallets, and I want to make a long bar instead of having this little piece out to move back and forth for each handle. And well, if I'm going to do that, I might as well make a long bar for a tool rest. And I don't know if I want to invest too much time in modifying this lathe to have one. Whenever I could just get that one from the scrapyard and weld it up really quick. And I don't want to weld to this one because it's nice. But, oh well. I'm going with the bigger gouge. Well, that actually works better than the my homemade one. Let's try this parting tool. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Now that is similar to the other one that I had, and I believe supposed to be able to cut like curves with it. Kind of like that. If that makes sense. Something like that. Ooh, a smaller one. Thing. I had a little bit of a hard time getting down to this part, but oh well. I imagine that might be down to a little bit of sharpening that's needed. Okay. Different one. Ah, we have a big one now. Let's see, like something like that. I'm not too interested in doing those shapes. Ah, now this one, that's interesting. That's like a gouge, but it's flat. I wonder if I could use that to make pulleys. Different tool. Oh, smaller gouge, look at that. Getting down to the circle. Neat. Now this is just white pine, so it's probably gonna have a bad finish because of that. Or I just need to sharpen these, I don't know, but this white pine gives some nasty finish to it. Let's try something else. All right. Now, right mess with everything. well. If you go to the side. That might be for doing more intricate things. Okay, I'm gonna try going in a little bit. That, there we go, locks it. Okay. You know what? For comparison, let's get out my homemade one. It does not work as well at all. And the yard sale one. Oh, look at that. It's a bit big. I wonder if I could actually burn a line into this. Oh, it's working. Kinda. It did kind of darken it. But not quite what I wanted. Where was the parting tool? There we go. Awesome. That's so cool. Not bad for some white pine and an idiot. But I like that. Although I might be able to actually do that. I wonder if I soaked it in water, could I do wet woodworking and that might actually cut better? Or maybe it needs to spin faster, or the thing's gonna be sharpened. There's plenty of different possibilities. But as for these, not bad for 28 bucks, counting shipping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much, Bill, for the chisels. See ya.